Hello everyone, it's Pat here at Beads and Plenty More, and today I want to talk to you about these pliers that are used for leather crimping. They're a specialty plier and they come in a package that looks like this, and they do work a little bit better than just using regular pliers. A specialty plier is always a good idea. So I've got one done here that I can show you first. And the biggest advantage of this plier is that you get nice rounded edges here, because sometimes with just using regular pliers you end up with really square edges or sharp edges on here, and so that's not very nice at the back of the neck. So a leather crimp looks like this. It's just a little unit that has two flaps and a hook that goes into a clasp. So with the pliers, first of all, if you're going to make a necklace, you might want to consider putting the beads on before you put the ends on, in case the beads don't have holes that are big enough to go over your end. So I've designed a necklace here that I thought would work really good with my ends on here, with some larger hole beads, and I've got a glass and mostly metal and a gemstone pendant. So then at the ends here I would put these clamps on and then join a clasp. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use these pliers. So they have three parts to it. There's the front part here that's just a flat part. I can turn it to the side so you can see the flat. Then it has this rounded part here, and then here is the actual part that does the folding. So what you use each part for, I'll show you now. We're going to take the little crimp piece like this, and this rounded piece here I'm going to use to just tilt the edges of this little leather crimp. So I'll give a little push on one side, turn it, and give it a push on the other side. So then I've got these edges, just this one a little bit more maybe, folded in. They start to fold in like that. So then I go ahead with the piece of suede leather that I have here, and it's not a bad idea to put glue on this. So how I would do that, before I show you that too, I use E6000, which is the strongest glue. Open the top and just put a little tab just on the tip of your suede. You can put it into the leather crimp too, it works both ways. So then we'll just set that inside there so that it's, and the glue helps to hold it in place when we're lining everything up. So there it is, sitting inside there. So now it's going to go into that folding part of the plier. So I'll go into this part back at the back part of the plier. If I can tilt to show. There we are. And this is going to come down. And then you want to double check before you do squeeze that these tips are folded over a little bit, and this is straight in the unit there, and see it's going to start to fold over. Give it a really hard push, take it out, and then that's what the front part is for. We're going to just finish it by giving an extra squeeze down like that. So then you get this really nicely lined up leather crimp. Here's the other side. Looks really good. So that's why these pliers will work better than just a regular chain nose plier to do your leather crimps. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.